guys, join me to arrange my room. This is how scattered my room is. So when I mean scattered, I really mean scattered room. So I'm going to do like a reset. When you see this room, you won't know it after I finish arranging. First of all, I'll have to open the blind so the room can be bright enough.
You're now locked in with your favorite DJ, DJ Styles. Follow DJ.
This white basket is for my top and t-shirts. Then this is for my pants, my trousers. This is the end result after I was done arranging my room. What do you guys think? At least it's improved.
This place is way too cold, you need a jacket. This place is way too cold, you need a jacket. Jacket, jacket, jacket. jacket, 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 jacket. This place is way too cold, you need a jacket. This place is way too cold, you need a jacket.